Thousands of families are facing Christmas Day without power after 24 hours of relentless storms slammed the southeast.
After the southeast was battered by a wild, windy,
this car's absolutely shaking just sitting there,
and at times captivating storm.
We're like in the middle of a freaking storm right now. Hey guys! Before I play the rest of the clips, I just wanted to express the fact that we had no idea that the storm was coming on Christmas. There was no forewarning. When I checked the weather app, it said nothing was coming. So we were actually really shocked to see like the full blunt of the storm that we received. It wasn't until the next day that we actually found out how dangerous the storm was and how many people were affected by it. We were pretty lucky in the area that we are. We weren't hit so badly with the storm and our power didn't go out. So you'll see the storm from our perspective as one of the lucky ones. It is the day before Christmas. It's our first Christmas alone and it just feels really weird. Like, it doesn't feel like Christmas. We both said this because of course every Christmas we've ever had, bar one time where I spent Christmas with my mom in the Philippines, has been cold. So the fact that it is like 30 degrees right now is really throwing us off, and it has been throwing us off. So this morning we got up, we went to Pac Fair to just get some last minute things. We did a big grocery run and then we went to go check if they had a keyboard that Faraday wants, and they didn't have it. So he's ordered it online, and in my mind I was going to make a roast dinner. I did not plan ahead. So we're having lasagna for Christmas. Totally untraditional, but it is what it is. We didn't plan ahead and I can't be bothered anymore. So it's just going to be a nice little wholesome day with the two of us. It was actually pouring down also when we were at Pac Fair. It was so cool, like the wind and the rain was like circling, almost like a little tornado. And this is our Christmas tree. Ta-da! Yeah, we didn't really want to buy one because Nemo always destroys them, and we just thought it's kind of cute to have something there. And we have our presents in that little drawer so no one can peek. We didn't really get any more presents this year, but he's running out of these trees, so we just bought him more, so I'm just going to wrap them up. Verity is in charge of food. Present is going into present. Are you excited for presents, Nora? We have decided to go with Home Alone 2. Popcorn chickens in the oven, which you can't see because of laundry. Nemo has chosen to be with me instead of Fairy. I made essentially a hard solo, but it's just Jim Beam, so bourbon, and solo lemonade, which is much nicer than Sprite, and we're just going to enjoy our evening. We might have a run-in with Coco, because there's a storm coming, as you can see, and she doesn't do well with storms, and they've already let us know that they're not here for the night, so we've got medicine in case she needs it. So we're hoping that she'll be okay, the storm will pass, and it won't scare her too much, so fingers crossed. We just saw lightning, so let's go give her medicine. Hey Coco, I've got a little treat for you. Okay, you're gonna have some food. Little Miss is now with us. We gave her food, dinner. She's not shaking as much, but we heard the thunder and she shook a little bit, but we gave her Valium, so hopefully that helps. And now we're trying the ice cream. Was it good? Excited to try it later. I don't think he likes it. Merry Christmas! It's our first Christmas as a little family. Yeah, Nemo? He's so amused. Okay, time for presents! Start with his. Yeah? Okay. This one's for you. This one's for you. Okay. Is she gonna open it?
Yeah.
She's gonna open it.
How's he gonna open?
Like Get his paws. Hey, Steve!
Try someone that.
Okay.
I wonder if he keeps his hand on to throw it
Okay. Chucho!
It doesn't want that one. Well, wrong Cheetos. He struggles.
What's he doing? It's like, I got it. I got it. Wait. I'll do this one. Aw, that's cute. Thank you. Cookie marks. Thank you. Yeah.
Puzzle box? I actually wanted to get one for you as well.
Really? Yeah, I figured like maybe it's kind of fun. Oh my god! That's freaking cute! Pushing!
I think it's a keychain.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
How do I?
Wonder which one you get.
Yeah. I got this one!
Hoot hoot.
Is it Hoot Hoot?
I think so.
Your face is a little weird. But it's cute. Thank you. I'll never lose my key. Thank you. How did you know?
I guess.
Should we try it out? Let's go stick it in the bathroom. Right there?
So. Almost. It's pretty hard. Your turn.
Watch it. This is hard. Oh, that was close.
Seems like you're having more fun than I did.
Oh, I'm getting close. Okay, I give up. Forgot to vlog before we left, but we are just headed to the beach to do a cute little photo shoot. Maybe a little dip because it's so hot right now. And then probably head back. Oh, we can play It Takes Two, right? That'll be fun. We got back from a swim a little while ago and just haven't been doing much really. Like we chilled a lot and then we've done a lot of laundry, which has been amazing. So almost everything is dry now. Now we are hungry, so we are making dinner, making the lasagna. Meat's cooked. Now we're just gonna put it into the tray. I'm not really sure about this. But okay, we're done, so we gotta put it in for about 15 minutes and hope for the best. Set a timer for 50 minutes.
50 minutes, counting down.
Finished cleaning the rest of the house, mopping the floor. Well, that was in the oven. It's looking a little dry, so ooh. It's looking a little dry, so I think I'm gonna put the cheese on top and then call it a day. Into the oven it goes. Doesn't look so bad. Here's the lasagna. Doesn't look great. Well, as long as it tastes right. Oh, hot. It's not the best. It tastes like, it's kind of dry actually. I should have put more sauce in it. But it kind of tastes like spaghetti.
I think it's alright.
It's not dry?
No.
That's good, because you're eating most of it. Well, it looks like a storm is rolling in. Landlord just came in and gave us some wine for taking care of Coco. How nice. But, let's see the storm. Up this. And then. Wow.
Whoa, that's crazy.
Oh, look, it's lighting up the distance. Wow. We're like in the middle of a freaking storm right now. Like, I don't know if you can see. Do you see it? Can you hear it? We even like had the TV on and the TV had like a brownout, so it went off for a little bit. Like, it's going crazy out there. It's like super wet in here because we had this door open. We just had to rush to close all the windows so that it wouldn't get wet inside. But like, oh my god, we are in the middle of a proper tropical storm. It is freaking crazy. Can you hear that? Oh my god. It sounds like it's an actual storm, like a tropical storm, right, Fair? What's it doing over here? Here it's not so bad. But look at the wind that's picked up. This is our Christmas. Is the internet on?
I think the internet is out.
Out? It went out?
Yeah.
Wow, we're in the apocalypse now. Internet's out, TV's out. Everything's like frosting over. Well, I'm just gonna carry on watching New Girl. Luckily, this little guy's doing alright. He's doing alright, aren't ya? I don't even know what to say. A couple of months ago I told you guys that the thing came off of here and it just flew off literally as I was standing here. No idea where it's gone, but let's hope it didn't hit the car. Oh, Nemo's scared. There's water coming in here because it overlaps. Downstairs too. Oh my god. It's been like an hour. I ended up calling my brother and just chatting. I think you can still probably hear the storm, but the storm's pretty much passed over. The rain has stopped. How did you find it, Owie?
That was pretty cool.
Pretty cool? It wasn't scary? Oh, I found it a little bit scary in the end because it was kind of like we were really in the midst of the storm, so it was pretty scary. But anyway, I think that's pretty much it for our first Christmas in Australia. I don't even know what to say. Like, this is not something we anticipated at all. Like, having a pretty chill day and then like a full-on storm at the end of it. I think that's pretty much it for vlogging Christmas and yeah, our first Christmas on the Goldie. So thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! After Christmas, another storm rolled in right after sunset, but just after these really pretty views all around. Hopefully this one wasn't as bad as the one before. However, this was our experience on Christmas. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Whoa. I wonder if there are no clouds, how like you actually see the full